Everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to talk about using R as calculator. So, so I will provide you this file R underscore as calculator .r file in the link below, so you can download it and open it by double clicking on the file. Okay, so as you can see that this is called the R script file. Okay, so before using this R script file, let's look at to the right side. Here you can see the console. So first we are going to use console as and trying to test R for a little while. Okay, so we can use R as a simple calculator, like for example 1 plus 3, so basically it gives 4. Now 4 plus 10 or 1000 plus, so you can use whatever you want. So these are one of the way to use console. So whatever you do here, if you quit the RStudio or R, this where all the data display here will be lost. So it's a good idea to use R script if you want to review it later, or if you want to keep as a reference. Okay, so now we are going to use this rscalculator.r file. Now we are going to do simple calculation. So for simple calculation, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Now what we have done is addition. Okay, so let's do that again. So 1 plus 3. Okay, so if we want to run this line, so we have to put the cursor here and then go to here. As you can see, run the current line or selection. So you can either click it or you can use the shortcut Control Enter. Okay, so on Mac you have to click Command Enter, return key, Command and return key. Okay, so on Windows you have to click Control Enter keys. So this will run the command file. Okay, so let's recreate this 4 plus 10, and if we want to run, the shortcut is Control Enter. Okay, now this is addition, subtraction the same. So let's subtract minus 4, Control Enter. Now it gives you 6. Now let's multiplication. So 110 plus 10 multiplied by 4 gives you 40. Okay, now 10 divided by 4 gives you 2.5. So these are simple calculation. You can try it. You can try other numbers. So these are basic simple calculation. Okay, so the next one, what we are going to do is we are going to create new objects in R. So basically we are creating objects by giving the name. So the first one we are giving X. Okay, so we will put 1 plus 3 into X objects. Okay, so there are two ways in R. The first one is you can express the comments and print them out in the console. The second one is you can assign into an object. Okay, so we are doing the second way. So X, and then assignment symbol. So this less than and hyphen represent the assignment symbol. Okay, now type 1 plus 3. Now let's run this. So you have to press Control and Enter key. Okay, now you got it. So you can notice under environment there is a value. and a value. There's object x with a value 4. There's only one value. Now let's look at the console. There is no no value for x printed out. So if we want to print the value, you just type x and then run that x. Now it will give the output 4. Okay, so let's quickly do that for y. So we will just assign y 4 plus 10. Now we'll print that out. Okay, so we'll run this, control enter. Now control enter. Now we have 14. So as you can see, under the environment we have y objects with a value of 14. Okay, now you can combine these x and y or other values and assign it into a different objects. So we have say z is a combination of, so this represent concatenate, so it means combining objects. So c and then x comma y. Okay, so now you can see that there is a z. Beside here there is a something called num. This is numeric. This indicates that z object contains numeric value. Now we have two values, 1 colon 2. Basically 4 is, so this represents the position of the object, value in the object. So position 1 has the value 4, position 2 has the value 14. Okay? So we can just print it out, 4 and 14. Okay? So in R, you can just replace the object using the same name. Okay, so let's put into the Z by concatenating, combining 2Z. Okay, so we have 4, 14 as values in Z objects. If you combine 2Z, you will get 4, 14, 4, 14. Okay, and then let's print Z. So run the command, print it out, 4, 14, 4, 14. And now you can see that Z object got replaced with a 4 value, 4, 14, 4, 14. And this value, 1 colon 4 in the square bracket indicates the position. Okay, so position 1 is 4, position 2 is 14, position 3 is 4, position 4 is 14. This indicates the numeric values in the object Z. So the last one is that R is case sensitive, meaning if you just type X and run it, there is no object X because we only create X in small letter. Okay, so we got an error. Now you can try Y and Z the same. So there is no X, Y, large Z in the R. Okay, so because it is case sensitive. So you don't want errors in your script file. Okay, so basically we are deliberately introducing errors, so we'll just put a comment indicated by hash symbol. So meaning if you press Ctrl Enter, there is no error because the R does not run these lines of codes. Okay, so before we finish, as you can see, r_s_ calculated.r, it is in red color, meaning that we haven't saved it. So before you quit, you have to save it and then quit. Okay, so thank you very much. If you like the video, give it a thumb up If you have any comments, leave the comments below. Thank you.